All right, guys. So what's up? What's going on? So it's undoubtedly that top-down analysis or the multi-time frame analysis is one of the greatest strategies in forex because it helps you to know where the various market players are taking price to. All right, the smart money guys, the retailers, and what have you. So I'm just going to do a simple video, simple, short, and brief video on how I approach the market when it comes to using the top-down analysis or the multi-time frame analysis. As you can see on my chart, this is EuroCAD. All right. Now, if this didn't play, trust me, it is part of the market and it's one of those things in the market. All right. But this is my approach to the top-down analysis or how to use the multi-time frame analysis. Okay. So first of all, what do I want to see in the market? I want to see the trend. All right. I want to see where the big players are taking the market to so that I can also follow them. You understand me? All right. So looking at my weekly time frame right now, we can guess that this is what this is a bearish trend. All right, because market is consistently making what lower highs and what lower lows. All right, lower highs and lower lows, as you all can see. All right, so at least I've gotten an idea of where price is going to. Price is very, very bearish over here. So I am done with my first step, and then quickly I have to move to a lower time frame to check my structure of the market. Okay, so after checking the trend of the market, I want to see which structure the market is from or which phase the market is. Okay, so going to my daily time frame, all right, switching to the daily time frame, I'm looking for which structure the market is having at this particular time. Okay, so this is what I can see over here. Okay, this is what I can see over here. I can see a break and retest over here. All right, this is what we call a break and retest. You can see that price has formed a support zone over here. All right, it has formed a support zone over here, and the support zone has been broken. So when support is broken, it becomes a resistance. Are we okay? So this is a resistance now, and you can expect the market to what? To sell. All right, break and retest over here. You can expect the market to sell. Okay, so this structure has confirmed what we have seen on the higher time frame, which is what, which is the bearish trend. All right, so I'm done with the second step. Okay, now I am moving to a lower time frame to really look for my entry pattern. All right, I'm going to look for an entry pattern on a lower time frame. So on the H4, all right, on the H4, what can I see on the H4? On the H4, what can I see? This is what I can see price doing. Okay, I can see this pattern forming over here. Okay, I'm always looking for a pattern. Okay, I'm always looking for a pattern. All right, I'm always looking for a pattern. And this is a pennant that I can see over here. Now, pennant, as we all know, pennant falls under the bilateral category. All right, now bilateral in the sense that you may not know where the break will happen to. Okay, you may not know where it will break to. Okay, but I will be expecting the break, all right, to happen at the down, and then I'll do a retest, and then I'm going to sell the market. Why will I be expecting a sell? Because the structure, okay, the structure of the market is what? Break and retest, and the trend of the market is what? Is bearish. So very, very simple analysis. Okay, now if you want to confirm this with another analysis or strategy, sorry, another strategy using the how do we call it? Using the supply and demand concept. Okay, so let me just quickly delete this. Using the supply and demand concept, okay, we can all see that this is an accumulation zone. All right, this is an accumulation zone, okay, that you have identified over here. And what happened next is what? The expansion which happened over here. So all that you can be expecting is what? A retracement and then a reversal. Are we okay? So with this, all right, with this, with my fib settings, how I set my fib, I want to take my entries, all right, on my 70, all right, on my 70 and 79. Okay, my students know this for me. Okay, so this is exactly, the reversal is exactly on what? On the 70, okay, which confirms. So all that I have to do again is to go to a lower time frame and then look for my entry patterns. Those of you who know the entry patterns that I always use is just this. All right, this is what I always use. Some call it the Quasimodo pattern. Okay, so yeah, this is just how I approach the markets using top-down analysis. I hope you learned something from it. All right, see you in my next video. All right.